Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel report step by step. First, clearly define what your report needs to achieve and who will be reading it. This clarity guides your entire process. Next, collect all the relevant data you'll need. Finally, ensure your raw data is well organized and clean, ready for analysis. This foundational work is crucial for an effective report. Now, let's prepare your data. Start by cleaning it thoroughly, removing any duplicate entries or errors that could skew your results. Then, use Excel's powerful formatting tools to enhance readability, perhaps adjusting column widths or applying number formats. Don't forget conditional formatting. It's excellent for visually highlighting important trends or specific values, making your report much more impactful. With your data ready, it's time to build the report. Pivot tables are incredibly useful for summarizing large datasets and extracting key information quickly. Complement these with charts and graphs to visually represent your data, making complex trends easy to understand. For an interactive experience, incorporate slicers and timelines, allowing users to filter data dynamically with just a few clicks. Before sharing, meticulously review your report for accuracy, ensuring all calculations are correct and the presentation is clear. Consider protecting your worksheets or workbook to prevent any unintended modifications by others. This ensures the integrity of your hard work. Also, if you're looking for a fresh scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. A well-maintained report and a fresh car make a great combination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.